小豬課室 Piggy Classroom。
Hello everyone, welcome to Piggy Classroom. Hello 各位小朋友，歡迎嚟到小豬課室。Today we are going to make DIY blowing bubbles. 我哋今日會自製番梘泡。
Hello everybody! Today we are going to learn how to make some blowing bubbles.
番梘泡
So you need water
水
and need your soap, corn syrup.
洗潔精粟米糖漿3杯水
You need 3 cups of water. See?
半杯洗潔精
Half cup of dish soap. Slowly put in.
慢慢倒入水裡面
And then stir very slowly and try not to make any bubbles.
慢慢攪勻，唔要起泡。
Mix, mix, mix!
攪攪攪
Hey guys, look at it! Doesn't it look kind of like the ocean?
好啦，我哋加1/8杯粟米糖漿落去。
1 cup corn syrup into the bowl. Now nice and light stir.
再攪勻
Ooh, perfect time to test.
，ready？ 整好啦，你估下我哋吹唔吹到泡泡？
See everybody? Great job! We made some bubbles!
See you next time on Piggy Classroom.
Bye!
If you like this video, please
like and subscribe and share.
Bye.
Bye!
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you.
如果鍾意呢條學習影片，請 like 同埋 subscribe，多謝。